I've created a replacement cover for baseboard heaters, and that cover improves efficiency of your baseboards by up to 30%, which will make your house warmer and save you money. I have a vision to make home heating systems as efficient as the most efficient nuclear submarine. I spent 6 years on a nuclear submarine, and I came home to New England and I realized that there's a lot of inefficiencies in home heating. Everyone focuses on the boilers. Boilers have dramatically improved. Some of the newer ones can even be 90% efficient. The problem is your home is still only 30% efficient. While your furnace is creating the energy efficiently, it's not getting to your living space efficiently. So the first product I invented is a replacement cover for your baseboard heaters. What it does is improve the efficiency of your baseboard so that you can get more heat into your house faster. The next step is, if I can tie that to home automation and some of these wireless technology, I can create a system that will heat the rooms you're in when you're in and not heat the rooms you're not in. If you increase the airflow across a heat exchanger like your baseboard, you'll dramatically improve the amount of heat that gets transferred from the hot water into your house. And as little as 50 CFM, that's about the amount of air in your computer fan. If I can just get 50 CFM across your baseboard heater cover, I can make it 5 times more efficient. The second thing we're doing is we have filters on it, because one of the things we found is that allergens, hair, dust mites get blown into the air or get trapped on your baseboard heaters. So with our filter, we're going to make it more hypoallergenic. And now we're coming out with scented oils, so that instead of having a plug-in, you can just use your heat to have nice scents come into your house. So now what we've done is we've created a box to replicate a house. It's 4 by 4 by 8. So what we're doing now is testing how long it takes to heat a room with my cover and without my cover. Basically what the 2 time lapse shows is what the difference is of heating with just natural convection versus forced advection. And you can see it's dramatically more efficient to have just a small amount of air movement, and you can't feel it. It's not like it's blowing cold air on you or blowing too hot on you. It's just circulating the air in your house and doing it in a way that saves you a lot of money. So what we're doing is we're adapting your standard baseboard into a forced hot air system. So you get all the benefits of forced hot air, but the exchange is happening in the room, so there's no heat loss, and it's much more efficient. There's 2 savings. First of all, we're doing it without having you to put ducts through your house. You're using your existing baseboards. Because we're using small fans and small heat exchangers, there's no big cost for electric fans or electricity at all. One of these units, we've powered it with a battery. It would run for over a week with just a battery. The big breakthrough is that we're using home automation to control it. You don't have to turn it on and off, because your heat doesn't stay on all the time. It cycles. And if you're using a fan, you're going to eventually blow cold air. By using a home automation system, it only turns on when you need it. I've done it for my own house. I went from spending $4,000 a winter to heat my house. I'm at $1,700 this year. I hope to get it down to $1,000 by next year. I've reduced my hot water bill from about $80 a month down to probably $20.